Tonny and the Journey to Space. Tonny, a 3-year-old boy, is sitting in the living room, staring at a toy box. He is thinking about how to turn the box into something new and exciting. The garage is a dark and dusty place, but Tonny doesn't mind. He's only focused on turning the toy box into a machine. Tonny carefully takes apart the toy box, looking for the parts he needs. He has a large collection of machine parts, which he has collected from the dump and thrift stores. Tonny assembles the pieces carefully and precisely. He has a great imagination, and he can see the machine in his head. Tonny's machine is a small spaceship. It is made of plastic and metal parts, but it looks great. Tonny sits in the cockpit of the ship and starts the engine. The ship takes off into the sky, and Tonny feels very happy. Tonny flies through the white clouds, and he can see the ground below. He feels like he is in a dream. Tonny flies through the stars, and he feels very small. He knows that he is in a very special place. Tonny encounters another spaceship, and he is amazed. He has never met another alien being before. Tonny and the other spaceship form a friendship, and they begin to play together. They fly through planets and explore the universe. Tonny begins to feel homesick, and he knows it's time to return. He bids a bittersweet farewell to the other spaceship and starts flying back home. Tonny lands in his backyard, and his parents rush out to greet him, overjoyed to see him. They embrace him tightly, their warmth grounding him after his cosmic adventure. Tonny recounts his journey to his parents, who are amazed by his tale. They recognize that Tonny is a special child, and they are incredibly proud of him. Tonny is back in his workshop, working on a new machine. He has grown taller and older, but his passion for inventing remains as strong as ever. Tonny builds a variety of machines, from simple ones like paper airplanes to complex ones like drones. He flies his drone in the park, thrilled to see it working perfectly. Tonny uses his inventions to help others. He creates a machine that assists the elderly with walking, and he also develops a machine that helps farmers harvest their crops. He gifts the walking assistance machine to an elderly woman who is deeply touched by his generosity. Tonny stands on a stage, receiving an award for his inventions. He feels proud and happy to have his talents recognized. Tonny is back in his workshop, researching a new idea. He knows that he'll never stop creating, and he's always ready for new challenges. Tonny stands atop a hill, overlooking the city. He reflects on the amazing things he has accomplished, feeling content and fulfilled. Tonny is flying his drone when he spots an alien spaceship. He recognizes his friend and is overjoyed to see them again. Time to sleep.